That's how we do it, man.
Leave the rappers on.
Wait till you ain't heard that's the song ain't even done yet, but the song's called 12 Pack of Magnums, man. We gonna have the Magnum chains. And it's a rap, you feel me? I got hold on, I'm strapped tonight. Let me look, Inspector Dirt, man. You know what I'm saying? Look, you need it. Oh, give me my lighter back. Cause nigga, straight up though. But that's how we gonna do it tonight, you know what I'm saying? We here. You feel me? We gonna switch up the lineup, you know what I'm saying? We got you nasty. Oh, you already know, man. And then, you know, Snap about to bust out to step it up, you know what I'm saying? And this is a real special treat, because this is coming off the Architect, you know what I'm saying? Y'all been seeing the Killers on Deck, y'all been hearing that, but this is a little sneak, little taster, you feel me? So we gonna bring that to you, you know what I'm saying? The You Nasty, we did that for the Comcast Cable Hollywood shit, you feel me? Shout out to Hollywood, you know what I'm saying? And be on the lookout from Sac to the Bay, man. Hollywood hard putting this shit together, Sac to the Bay. Check us out, man. It's the double CD, double DVD, you feel me? We coming, you know what I'm saying? We gonna keep it pushing.
Check it out. It's already up on Unc's Black Planet and on YouTube, baby.
Man, you're now watching on TV, baby. If I say it any more times, you're going to have to pay me. You feel me? Once we're going to sign off like that, you know, that's how we start the night off, though. You know what I'm saying? Straight up, you know what I'm saying?
Just like that there.